So we have with us the Lenovo Tab M8 today. This is the 8-inch tab version. This is with the Wi-Fi and the LTE dongle. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So if you quickly look at this, it says premium metal design, powerful chip, long battery life, Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz. So it supports both dual bands. All right, and this is approximately about 8,500 rupees on Amazon. 32 GB plus 2 GB RAM. Okay, so let's get this opened. Push this box across. All right, so the box, and let's see what we have inside. So we have the tab itself. Okay, so let's keep this aside. So we have a couple of boxes. We have the charger. Looks like a regular charger, not a fast charger. Okay, and you have the cable. So it's the micro USB cable. There you go. Yeah, micro USB cable. Okay, so we have a SIM ejector tool. Okay, that's about it, and you of course have a quick start guide and some paperwork. We can just leave this as it is. So let's very quickly switch it on, power on, and then see how it is. So there you go. Looks very nice, compact. It's got a camera at the back. So if you look at it, on the right hand side, it's got the power button and it's got the volume rocker. On top, we have the headphone jack. This looks like some kind of a speaker grill. And of course, at the bottom, you have the micro USB port. And on the left side, I guess this is the SIM card tray, along with we have the SIM card tray along with, I think, the SD card storage. So let's just quickly have a check on this. Yeah, there you go. So you can have a micro SD card and a SIM card. That's excellent. All right, so let's just keep this back as it is, and let's power it on. So it says Lenovo, powered by Android. Looks very compact, looks very nice. The opening colors look good. So feels very compact in the hand. Of course, you can see the front facing camera. Right, it's trying to boot up. Little on the heavier side. You can definitely feel it's a little heavy, probably because of the metal build, I guess. So let's just click on start, just click on accept. Right, we'll just skip this. Skip, continue, okay, next, right, accept. Okay, so we'll just do all of this later. I like it. It kind of looks compact. It really does. I think it suits the purpose if somebody's looking to have something for their kids, for their online classes. I guess it makes a lot of sense, but it'll be great. I think the 10-inch definitely is a better buy, I guess. So I'm just going to skip on all of these now. Right, next. There you go. Okay, quite some time to set it up. right? So it's onto the home screen. Okay, right, that looks very cool. It says it's got Dolby audio, kids mode, and right, so we have the OK Google, all of this. Great. Yeah, so right, let's see how bright it can get. Settings. Okay, off the box. Okay, it's quite bright, you can see that. This is the max, so pretty bright. And let's just look at settings, system, right? It says updated to Android 9. There's a system current version. Okay, right, so looks very decent, pretty good, feels very nice, good landscape mode, pretty bright. I just hope that it's got good battery backup, right? And I think I will set it up, and then we could definitely look at doing a review for it. All right, let's just look at the camera pretty quickly. So if you look at that, let's see if okay, it's okay, pretty decent. I wouldn't say it's very great and all of that, but I think the camera is just about decent. Takes a little getting used to, especially if you've not been used to a tab, but I think otherwise it looks pretty brilliant. Okay, it's got the FM radio and all of that. Pretty decent. The correction, of course, I mentioned that it's about 8,500. That's the Wi-Fi edition. This is with the 4G LTE edition. This is about 10,000 rupees roughly. Okay. All right, we'll look forward to doing the YouTube review of this particular product very soon.